Hey, welcome to English Word Hub. Have you ever felt stuck? You set big goals, dream of speaking fluent English, getting a better job, or becoming confident in front of people. But when the time comes to take action, you say, I don't feel like it today, maybe tomorrow. I'll start when I have more time. And then, days turn into weeks. Weeks turn into months. And nothing changes. But here is a secret: successful people don't rely on motivation. They force themselves to take action, even when they don't feel like it. And today, I'm going to tell you a story that might just change your life. Let me introduce you to Arjun. Just like you, Arjun wanted to improve his English. He had tried many times before, watching videos, buying books, even downloading apps, but nothing worked. Why? Because he would start for a few days and then he would stop. He thought, I'll practice when I have more time. But that perfect time never came. One day, something happened that changed his life forever. Arjun met his childhood friend, Rohan, after many years. Rohan used to struggle with English in school, always nervous, always avoiding conversations. But now, Rohan spoke fluently, confidently, effortlessly. He had a great job. He was respected in meetings. He was successful. Arjun couldn't believe it. How did you do it? He asked. Rohan smiled and said, I forced myself. Arjun was confused. What do you mean? Rohan explained. He practiced English every morning for 15 minutes, even when he was tired. He spoke to colleagues in English, even when he made mistakes. He read aloud daily, even when he felt shy. He recorded himself speaking, even when it felt awkward. He didn't wait for motivation. He didn't wait for the right mood. He simply did it. And that's why he succeeded. Arjun realized something shocking. Motivation is a lie. It comes and goes. But discipline? That changes everything. Think about it. Do you wait for motivation to brush your teeth? No. Do you wait for motivation to eat? No. You just do it because it's necessary. Improving your English is the same. If you treat it like a habit, success is guaranteed. The next morning, Arjun made a decision. He forced himself to wake up 15 minutes earlier. He took out his phone and recorded himself speaking about his day. It felt uncomfortable at first, but he kept going. After a week, he felt a little more confident. After a month, speaking English became easier. After a year, he became fluent. And now, he's the one inspiring others. Now, let me ask you, are you still waiting for motivation? Or are you ready to take action? Starting today, speak in English for 5 minutes, even if you feel shy. Read aloud for 10 minutes, even if it feels weird. Write something in English, even if you make mistakes. Don't wait. Force yourself. Your future self will thank you. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. But a few, yes, a few of you, will actually start. And after 1 year, those who started will see a transformation. Those who didn't will still be in the same place. So which one will you be? This is not just about learning English. If you want to achieve anything in life, you have to force yourself to start. Are you ready to take action? Comment, I will start today, below. And remember, we're launching a 365-day challenge to improve your English. Daily tasks, exercises, and challenges. Don't miss out. Subscribe now.